Welcome to this course, Bot Development with Python. This course will teach you how to create a Telegram bot easily using Python and Pyrogram. I have chosen the Pyrogram library because it is a complete Telegram client built from the ground up with ease of use in mind. It has a very elegant API as well as perfect documentation that makes developing Telegram bots easy and fast. So, what will be covered in this course? After an introduction to Telegram bots and teaching you how to create a bot with BotFodder, the course will guide you through creating a basic Telegram bot using Pyrogram. Then the course will introduce you to a series of topics and real-world challenges that any bot developer must deal with, including update handling, update filters, connecting to databases using the famous SqlAlachemy library, state management, keyboard markups, working with media files like photo, video, audio, etc., debugging, creating user bots, logging, using a proxy server, deploying your bot to production, and more. Pyrogram is implemented purely in Python based on Telegram's empty protocol and is a great choice for bot development. However, for those who prefer to develop a bot without using a third-party library and just using Telegram's bot API, the course covers how to accomplish that using Python in combination with webhooks and long polling. Taking this course will give you two additional benefits. First, access to my bot development ebook exclusively available to students of this course. Second, given the fact that Linux containers are used actively in this course, you will learn how to quickly develop and deploy bots using this technology, even if you haven't worked with containers before. So, if you are interested in learning bot development, now is the time. Take the course and let's get started.